Today, we have a special breathing pranayama routine designed to alleviate your stress and enhance your well-being. Did you know that there is one simple breathing technique that can help you manage stress in less than 5 minutes? Any guesses? Well, stick around until the end of the video and we'll find out. Stress and anxiety are common challenges. Unfortunately, most people are unaware that their breathing can offer immediate relief. I am Abdominal, trained by my guru in India. I've been teaching yoga meditation for over 20 years now. So thank you for choosing me as your guide. Without any further ado, let's begin. Find a comfortable seated position. The first one is abdominal breathing. 1.5 minute practice, 5 cycles. So keep your spine straight. Place your right hand on your navel. And now inhale deeply through your nose, expanding your abdomen. Exhale, slowly letting your abdomen fall back. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. All the way into your belly, fill up your chest. Exhale. Keep going. Inhale all the way into your belly. Expand the belly. Exhale. One last one. Inhale. Exhale. Great job. You've just activated your diaphragm, which is our first step in mastering pranayama. Now, let's move on to balancing your energy channels with Nadi Shodhan pranayama, also known as alternate nostril breathing. We're going to practice this for 2 minutes with 4 rounds. So sit with your spine straight. Close your right nostril and inhale through the left. Now close your left nostril, exhale through the right. Inhale to the right. Exhale left. Amazing. Continue. Inhale again, left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale left. Keep going. Inhale. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale left. Inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale right. And exhale left. Well done. You should be feeling more balanced now. So let's conclude this practice with a technique that's perfect for calming the mind. Bhramari Pranayama, also known as the humming bee breath. So we're going to do this for 1.5 minutes, 5 breaths. So close your eyes and gently plug your ears with your thumb. Lightly press your eyelids with your index and middle finger. Place the ring finger very lightly on the nose as you begin. Inhale deeply through your nose. And exhale, make the humming sound like a bee. Focus on your third eye. Feel the soothing vibration. Inhale. Inhale again. Inhale. Inhale. Amazing. Last one. Inhale. And exhale with humming sound. And now sit in meditation for 30 seconds. Fantastic job. Now that we have completed these transformative breathing exercises, let's circle back to our initial question. Which one of these simple techniques can help manage your stress in less than 5 minutes? The answer, my friends, is Bhramari Pranayama, or humming bee breath, is that technique. Try this routine 3 times a week for 1 month and let us know how it worked for you in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. If you found value in this video, our next video on Ujjayi breath is perfect for you. For additional free resources, visit our website meditatewithabi.com. Again, thank you for joining me today. Breathe easy. Until next time, namaste, peace, and love.